Alright, select hobby football, random division, box number 1 coming at you guys.
Not in time to retire Butler to catch it. That ball raced up the glove of Sanderson. And a heck of a play by Brumbaugh backing him up.
Excellent job here, well hit ball, just a two-hopper, and you can see the tricky bounce it takes off of Sanderson's glove. And as Brumbaugh is right there, they almost get the runner at first base.
Right. See, Ross got AFC East.
Here's Kyle Branch now. All freshman pick in the Southeastern Conference.
AFC North, Colin, AFC North, AFC South, AFC West.
Healthy lead. I love that camera angle through from third base. You get to see the lead at first base, and even though it's a one-way lead, I don't anticipate the runner at first base
NFC East, Nick, NFC East.
There's a school of thought there, Wes, where you want to get out far enough that you affect
Nick on the
as well as the attention.
man to chase. P. Domo, NFC North.
So just trying to shake things up.
Albert.
Get him focused in a different direction.
What up, Albert? Got Nick, NFC South, and then Sam, NFC West.
114 steals.
Just a few behind Kentucky. Bumping 3 of 4 in stolen base attempts on the season.
Dawson Willis, the leader in the lineup tonight. He's got 18. Walk has 17. There are 6 guys
better
with 10 or more
looking.
steals on the card tonight for Skip Johnson.
They like to put pressure, apply pressure. They have a mantra, chaos, spelled C-H-A-O-U-S. In the left and right at Swanson. 1 away.
Don't want to confuse the sorters. Delete row, delete row.
Oklahoma fan. You know, and he's got the steals. We talked about that. But his parents have said he loved to create chaos. He's a chaotic human. If he walks through the door within 10 seconds, there's either going to be a fight or a game.
Love it.
Yeah. 1 out, 1 on here in the Sooner second.
There definitely is a method to the madness. Looks like Mudler went back into first base a little awkwardly.
Uh-oh.
Gonna have the trainer come out and check him out. He's holding his right wrist.
Yeah. The Oklahoma baseball
Like
trainer
faded.
is Alyssa Hampton, who is in
All right, let's do it. P. Domo. What up, Dubs?
As one of the very few female trainers
Right. Good luck, everybody.
in the Marlins organization.
Box 2 out of the fresh case.
Come out. Walker with Melissa. And so this is going to require a little bit more juggling.
So here's that JD5 he hits from the Ultimate little magazine pink. 1 of 6.
You're supposed to do as a base runner, go back into the base with your right hand, just a quick move, right hand to the back part of the base, and it just looked like maybe he jammed up against the base.
Good luck, everybody.
Gonna get some
Okay, Vaughn, Jared Verse, rookie.
position.
Okay, Vaughn Thibodeau, silver. Braylon Icons, Bo Nix.
So Easton Carmichael is the designated hitter.
No, Ray Davis, rookie. Olufashanu, rookie, silver. So the Jets. Okay, Drake May, rookie.
They are carrying
So K1.
another catcher, Cole Hansen, on the roster here.
All right, them all. Brock Bowers, nice silver rook. AFC West, Raiders calling.
Here where, because Mudler was the starting
Roma Dunze snaps. J Herb.
obviously have a pitch runner, and then have to decide if you're gonna move Easton
Powers Johnson, Tip Riemann, the silver rook. So J.K. Dobbins, tricolor. The Chargers, 249. Sims Ray Ray.
Again, now is Witherspoon on the mound because
Dalton, Cardi.
comfortable with their third catcher.
I'm tired of all these kickers. Oh, Brandon Aubrey, field level silver. Dallas Michael Penix phenomenon.
And I guess the first
DeMarcus Ware.
is to see what will happen at first base.
Yes.
Legarius, Kyrie Elam silver. Zeke blue. Cowboys, Nick.
First base umpire
It's a 99.
has a watch on this. And Jackson Kircher,
Romadunze, rookie Dallas Turner, icon silver.
pitcher and outfield.
Tajay Spears, the purple patch auto. It's 2-color for Tennessee, Colin. It's a 49.
Obviously a pinch running situation. Jackson will not be behind the plate as a full-time substitute, and because of the injury
T.
to Mudler,
It's Brock Bowers, rook. Justin Tucker, silver. There's the rookie love. Cam Jordan, a purple for the Saints, 75. Well, Saquon, well, field level. Well, St. Brown's, the Derwin James. Not a rook. Oh, Dak Prescott, Dallas, all the color. So tie-dye 25. Oh, Nick. 17 to 25.
And that happens on Friday, 2 o'clock Eastern Time. Live coverage on ESPN throughout.
Is, here we go, QB love. So JJ McCarthy, rookie silver. Minnesota, Pete Dubba. There's Myles Garrett. Johnny Wilson, the silver jersey auto. The Eagles, Nick. It's a 99 Lab McConkey rookie.
Whether you're a fan of a team that's going or just a fan of baseball, make sure
Lambjack, Kyle Pitts. Dual Panthers and Bears, DJ Moore. Some multiverse, white. Carolina, Nick. Chicago, Dubbers. So random there. It's a 75. George Brock Purdy. XRC. We need some love out of this case. Oh, Jared Verse, D-Roy Silver. Ray Davis, cool color match. Buffalo Ross. So 175. Jermaine Johnson, the second, field level. Come on, big XRC. Should be, you call it quarterback? Alright. Trying to remember, did they do the same thing as last year? Or they number the back if it's a numbered one? We haven't seen any tie-dye gold, any numbered XRCs yet. Alright, good luck everybody. Nebraska? Damn it. Come on. XRC, regular redemption. 505. Is that QB5? QB5. So that's Gabriel. Yeah, Dylan Gabriel. Cleveland. Colin XRC. And we're back to back. QB4 and then QB5. Oh, Cleveland, nice sword. That's Cleveland up top. Colin XRC fine. We're not seeing any great color yet from this case.
See some frustration from Brockett. I'm sure part of that frustration is how long he had to wait. We're checking to see if Dickerson action touched first base. Let's see. We'll see it here. Front of the base and actually stepped on the top of the base. So instead of cutting the
Actually, same position for the third. Oh, is it really? Ooh. Wow. It just gets better for the next one. We got 4 and 5.
Marine now, who's the crew chief of this group. After several throws over to first base. And now there's a discussion with
We got 2 Carolinas. Nick, let's go. P for Panthers. B for Bears. PB. 5 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. P. Carolina Panthers. Nick. Got the dual jers.
whether he touched the base, right?
Yeah, I think that's the only reason they would have a review here. But as you and I, we have the advantage of seeing the review prior to the umpires. But right here, watch the left foot, which is how you would normally cut the base. But then the right
Old Tyler Shuck.
foot, here's the key. Did the right foot
Yo, guys, let's select hobby random division box number 1. Thanks for jumping in, everybody.